So I'd love to get out in the ocean. That's why I just got this snorkel in this box right here to go along with my mask. They're both by AQUA, but today we're checking out the actual snorkel here. So let's get it open. It's just really easy to open this box and pull it out like that. Oh, looks like we got some pieces falling out here. And that was the mouthpiece right there, and here's the snorkel right here, so you can see they're individually wrapped. And it also came with a little care manual here. Let's get these pieces open and check them out. So here's the mouthpiece right here. Feels like a nice soft silicone right here. I really appreciate that. It feels like it's going to be really easy to put in your mouth without having to worry about, just feeling uncomfortable. Like some snorkels are a little bit harder plastic. This feels nice and soft here, so let's try it out real quick. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Feels nice and soft. It also feels like it's easy to make a good seal. And what I said was it feels nice and soft, and it feels like it's easy to make a good seal right there. So let's get out the snorkel too and put them together and see how well they work. So here is the snorkel itself. It also has that same silicone softness right here where it bends like that. Then we have a strong plastic through here, and we have a little clip right here that's going to attach to the snorkel itself. Looks like we have an exhale release valve here, so if you ever get water down into this, then you can just exhale really hard and water should shoot out the bottom. So let's see if it actually works like that. We'll take the mouthpiece here and put it on top like this. So let's just, not quite tight yet. There we go. It just takes a little finagling, and there you go. It's nice and easily put together, so you can put it on and yep, I'm definitely getting air out of this. So that means if there's ever water in the snorkel for any reason, you can just exhale really hard and it'll blow out of that piece right there. And up here you can see that we have one of these types of tops here that prevents water from getting into it. So it has like a little plug on the inside of this piece right here. So if you're ever out snorkeling and you go underwater, that piece will actually float up and then it will plug the snorkel. And then when you come up above the water, it comes back down, and that allows the air to come back in through the tube. And not only that, but this top here is designed in a way that it's going to prevent water that's splashing around for whatever reason. Maybe there's other snorkelers, maybe there's a wave, maybe you're next to some rock formations or something and the water hits it. If it splashes up and lands on this, it's not going to fall down into the snorkel like some of those snorkels that are just open air tubes. This really protects you. So you shouldn't get water in it, but if you do, it does have that exhale release valve. So I'm going to try to pair it with my mask real quick and just see how easy it is to do that. Let's try it out. So here's my AQUA mask right here, and it has a strap right here. So you just have to take this little clip that's on the snorkel, and then you just have to, I imagine, just pull it up in there. Oh, and it actually looks like you can take that clip all the way off. It looks like you could just give it a little pull and it would come right off, so you could readjust it easily. But I'm going to see if I can get it on here just nice and easy, and there you go. Yep, nice and easy. See how it's holding onto the mask right there? It's not going anywhere. It actually looks like it has kind of like a 2-level clip here. There's like this piece here and the one on the inside, so it kind of is going to hang on to that mask right there. So let's try it on real quick and see how it all feels together. The mask is really comfortable. The silicone lining on it feels nice and tight, like water's not going to get in. But let's see how this does as well, all together. And what I'm noticing right away is that I feel like I'm getting nice, huge, full breaths out of this. Like I've gone snorkeling so many times with so many different snorkels, and sometimes it feels like you're really forcing air through it because they're kind of thin and straw-like. But this one is nice and thick, a nice wide tube, meaning I'm getting huge breaths from it. Like I feel like I'm not putting any extra effort into breathing, but I'm getting just a ton of oxygen in. I love that. This is a great little snorkel set. I'm really excited to get out into the ocean with this. So if you're looking for a really high quality snorkel, I think this is going to be a good one. You don't have to have the AQUA mask to pair it with. You can pair it with any mask that has this kind of strap on it, which is most of them, of course. And so I think it's a really good snorkel. Like I said, just the ability to breathe in it, how soft it is through here, and all the features that it uses to keep the water from going into the tube is very useful. So I think you'll be happy with it. I'm happy with it, and I'm super excited to get out into the ocean today.